Xiaomi 11 is the last 2020 Xiaomi flagship. Xiaomi has opted for the best processor of the moment, as it has been doing with its latest releases of its top range, the Snapdragon 888 SoC. That has a score of more than 700,000 points in the ANTUTU test. Few terminals can reach the level of the display of this Mi 11, an AMOLED, with a 120 Hz refresh rate. That is also accompanied by a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Is a pity that Xiaomi has not added some extra protection against water and dust, but it is something we are already used to. The battery will not disappoint us, although it is not a strong point of the terminal. With 4600 mAh, it should be enough for normal use of more than a day, and even are not the highest charging speeds. Fast charging will not disappoint us. Xiaomi Mi 11 features 3 cameras around the back, consisting of an 108 main camera, a 13 ultra-wide, and a 5 macro. The lack of any zoom lens is jarring in 2021, but this is a clear sign that the Mi 11 is just Xiaomi's mid-tier device in this series. Finding the best price for the Xiaomi Mi 11 is no easy task. Here you will find where to buy the Xiaomi Mi 11 at the best price.